Winter skin care with Ayurveda. Ayurveda skin types and various face packs to use during this season. Number one is the Vata dominant skin. Vata dominant skin is dull, rough, uneven, cold, thin, and prone to early wrinkles and flakiness. And it requires a lot of lubrication, moisture, and something warm which nourishes the skin overall. The first face pack is sesame seeds and barley. Equal amount of sesame seeds and barley, grind together in fine paste, mix it with milk and apply for 10 to 15 minutes. It will nourish, hydrate, and give it the glow it needs. Number two is papaya and curd. Papaya is warming, curd is warming. Both hydrate, nourish, and reduce the dullness of the skin. Absolutely essential for winters. Pitta dominant skin. The Pitta dominant skin is warm, soft, moist, glowing, and slight reddish tinge, but it is prone to acne, sun tanning, rashes, and is highly sensitive to sun. What can be done during winters for this skin? Winters are very drying. This skin breaks out in acne a lot more often. Two face packs which help. Number one is licorice with milk. 1 teaspoon of licorice, 1 teaspoon of milk, mix it together, make a fine paste, apply for 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off. Number two is lotus petals, ground finely with some water, add some curd and apply to the face. It will reduce acne, it will reduce any kind of inflammation and give bright glowing skin. The number third, Kapha dominant skin. The Kapha dominant skin is thick, smooth, very oily and prone to cystic acne. It is also cold to touch and probably a little dull most of the times, but it is not prone to early wrinkles, prone to cystic acne. What to do for a Kapha dominant skin? Number one face mask for them is multani mitti with neem and honey. Multani mitti takes away all the oil. Neem becomes an antimicrobial, reduces acne, and honey gives slight moisturization and lubrication. Keep this for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Number two face mask for Kapha dominant skin is masoor dal ka powder with some honey and yogurt. Mix it together, apply. It will reduce the oiliness and give it a nice glow and the nourishment that it needs during winter. Remember, winter is a time for dryness, so all these three types of skin might suffer a bit of dryness. So please apply oil before having a bath. For Vata dominant skin, the oils which suit are sesame oil and coconut oil. Even almond oil is good. For the Pitta dominant skin, what suits most is coconut oil or kumkumadi oil. It works wonders. Licorice oil, if you can make it, it also helps. Manjishta oil also helps. For the face and body both. The Kapha dominant skin, what works best is sesame oil because it suits everybody, and olive oil. ये आप रोज ही लगाएं and use face washes which are mild and suitable to your skin type. Follow a nice regimen so that you have a healthy, glowing skin this winter. Like, share and subscribe if you think the content suits and appeals to you. I'm Dr. Manisha Mishra and I talk about Ayurveda, herbs and foods for overall wellness.